Hello there, everyone. I'm here to share today with you this delicious green smoothie that I put together, and we're going to get started. I like to go in and use my Ninja blender for this particular smoothie or my green smoothies because it blends better. So I use the big base here, and I sometimes for my other smoothie use the small cup here that I will blend on top with the little blade top that we have here. And that normally would sit if I remove this base blender piece and put the cup on there if I use the smaller cup. But today we're using the big base. Now first, what I will start with is some baby spinach. I have the Greenwise organic baby spinach I brought from Publix. And I have some pineapple chunks. And then I also have coconut water. And with the coconut water, I like to just use about 1 cup of coconut water. And so with starting and opening up the spinach, I don't measure the spinach, you guys. I just grab like a couple handfuls of spinach and just toss it in there. I mean, you'll see that I don't use much measuring except for my coconut water. So as I stated, 2 handfuls of spinach into the blender here. And then what I will do, let me just set that to the side. I will go in with my coconut water next. Let's just give that a shake there. And then this is where I will come in and use my measuring cup I will measure out 1 cup of the coconut water. And I'll pour that into there with my spinach. And then next we'll go in with our pineapple chunks. And the pineapple chunks I don't measure as well. I usually just go by counting how many pineapples. I put about 8 pineapple chunks into the blender. And so I'm just gonna get ready to blend the first few ingredients that I have inside my blender. So I get my top on, and I'm gonna start blending this on the first setting mode. You can't see the settings because of my camera angle, but I'm just gonna blend on the setting 1, and as I'm going throughout, that's when I'll switch to the next setting 2. And as I'm going up to setting 3, that's gonna be pureeing the smoothie more, making it more smoother. All right, so next let's get ready to put in this avocado. I'm gonna get my knife here. I can cut it open. And no need to be nervous, you guys. I'm not gonna cut myself, but this is the way how cutting the avocado open. And twist it open there. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the end without the pit in it because I don't feel like taking that side out. So I'm just gonna get a spoon. And what I'm gonna do is remove the top here so I can get ready to scoop the avocado into the blender. So just go in and work your way around to pull up the avocado. Put that in there. I have a little bit left. So. All right. Now that we have our avocado in there, now we can finish blending more of the smoothie. So the avocado is going to create more smoothness, give that more smooth consistency to the smoothie. And it's going to start to, it's not going to look this way, you guys. It's going to, of course, blend out more to a better consistency once I add in all the ingredients and get it blended all the way. All right, so now I'm going to add in my ice cubes, and that's going to thicken up the smoothie. And I added about 6 ice cubes. So I'm just going to start back blending the smoothie more. All right, so last ingredient is I like to add lemon juice. I give a little bit of tanginess. I know we have the pineapple in there for sweetness, but I just like to add lemon juice because it gives, like I stated before, a little tanginess to the smoothie. So you guys can, you don't have to add the lemon juice, but I love to add it into my green smoothie. So I can't I'm sorry, you guys, for the camera angle, but the lemon juice is going inside the green smoothie. So let me take the top off, and I'm just going to add in my lemon juice. All right, so I added in the lemon juice and I did my last blend to the smoothie, and we're all finished. So I'm going to use this glass here. I usually use my mason jar, but I don't have my mason jar at the time, so I'm going to use my small little glass here. And I'm just going to remove the top. But I don't know why I always do that. I always remove the top when I can just pour it out of the spigot that's on the top. So I'm going to just go back and put my top on here. And let me just go ahead and twist this off. And I'm going to try to maneuver some stuff out of the way here and move my camera down so you guys can see. And the consistency of the smoothie is just the way I like it. I don't want it to be too thick or too watery, so it's right in between. And you guys, this actually, I made enough, even though without measuring. I made enough to fit in this glass here, so that's just out of luck. But, because I didn't intend for it. I thought I was going to have some left over, but it's perfect. All right, so that completes my green smoothie recipe for today. I'm adding in a smoothie straw here. I keep a pack of these on hand at home. And if you guys decide to make this recipe, please do let me know how it turns out for you in the comments below. As we approach the end of the year, I'm hoping that everyone has a safe and blessed Happy New Year. And thank you once again for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Bye.